I got these LED twin beam headlights. These are from Lucky 7 Fab, I think. I know Hayes Fabs makes them. Lucky 7 Fab makes them. Probably a couple Chinese knockoff ones make them. I don't even really like this style. They are plug and play though. I needed my light fitting broke. It got ate up by this tire. I needed a plug and play one. These were the cheapest at the time. Like I said, I don't even like the twin beam ones. I wanted something plug and play though. I wanted the ones from Quad Boss or Quad Logic, one of them, that were, I don't know, they look a little cleaner to me. They were sold out at the times. I really like the ones from Heretic, one of them. I don't know. I think Heretic. Those are really nice, but they're like 680 bucks. And I just seen that Clay Babb is coming out with some too from Babb Industries. Like I said, I was in Japan. These are the cheapest ones I could find. So I'm not very brand specific. I needed something cheap and plug and play. To replace these, pretty easy. There is, let's see if I can get this on my phone. Focus, you son of a bitch. This motherfucker. Alright, well, this ain't gonna. There we go. There's a screw right there. And then there's I kind of doubt you're gonna see anything over here. There's a rubber O-ring right there, and then it just pops out. And then screw here, screw here. Oh. Let me see. I'm using my phone. I suck using it. Screw here, and I think here, or only one of these gets a screw, and it's a son of a bitch to reach. And then it just plugs right into your factory plug. Piece of cake, not very hard, pretty easy. Like I said, I don't want to get any hate about picking Lucky 7 over Hayes Fab. Literally got the cheapest ones I could find that were plug and play, only because this one was broke and was filling up with mud and dirt every time. Most people know me, know I'm not huge into lighting. I've never had a light bar installed. All the LED whips I've ever had break like almost instantly. I fucking hate electrical accessories. Hate them. That was plug and play. That's why I needed it. If that one didn't break, I would never get them. And I probably still will upgrade to those Quad Logic or Heretic ones. Those Babb ones look pretty good too. I might check those out. I'm not real big on the look of the twin rows. I don't know how big of a difference this is going to make in the daytime, but the LED ones are definitely a lot brighter. I can't even fucking look into them. Big difference. And you can see there's where the O-ring would sit right here. Just goes around like that. Just like that thick O-ring there. And then it's got a tit here and one on the other side, and then you see where that screw goes right there. Pretty easy. Light bulb just twist out. There you go. Both sides done. Let me see what it looks like with the lights off. There you go. Lights off. Not bad. I'm not crazy about the twin beam look though. It's alright. But still, plug and play for the most part. I say for the most part because this connector doesn't lock into the factory one. It doesn't have the locks on there. So really, there's nothing keeping it from coming unplugged. I think I'm going to wrap a zip tie around there and just tape it. But technically, plug and play. Pretty easy install. This top screw up here, this one that goes right here, pain in the balls to reach. Again, not bashing any other brand out there, or even this one. Only reason I got this one, this Lucky 7, because it was cheap. I think it was like $160. It was one of the only websites that worked while I was over in Japan. And I will probably still swap these out eventually, because like I said, I'm not a huge fan of the twin beam ones. Anyways, like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know if you like these how-to videos. A lot of this shit is real easy, but like I said, it helps some people sometimes just seeing how it's done before they commit to it, or seeing how easy it's done before they dive in themselves. If I can help the next guy, I try to. All right, see y'all later.